Hello friends, this is Karthikeya Singh working as an assistant professor in School of Management Sciences, Varanasi. As we are covering this research process and we have almost covered 6 steps of it, and today we are going to cover this execution of the project. So far we have covered formulation of problem, literature review, developing of working hypothesis, preparation of research design, determining sampling design, collection of data, and today we are going to cover execution of the project in this particular video. So let's move ahead. Execution of the project is nothing but to take care of the processes which is taking place in a proper way or not. So just it is going to take care of the processes which is taking place. Once you have designed your sampling, once you have started doing your data collection, so proper data collection is going to be done or not. This particular step ensure that process. So we need a timely check of the processor whether the process is taking place in a smooth way or not. We usually take care in this particular step. So execution of the project is a very important step in research process. If the execution of the project proceed on correct lines or not, the data to be collected would be adequate and dependable. Means whatever data are going to be collected through the process should be adequate and dependable. Means sometimes a respondent don't feel giving good feedback on the basis of a particular questionnaire or a schedule. So in that case, proper data is being collected through the questionnaire or not, proper training of the workforce who are going to collect that data is taking place or not, whether the person who is taking interview is equipped with the entire process knowledge or not. So all these minute details are going to be taken care in this particular step, because at the end of the data collection, if you start gauging whether this particular process has taken place in a proper way or not, it is not going to serve the purpose. Because during the process only, if you are going to gauge or check all those nitty-gritties, chances are there you'll be able to come out with proper data and the data on which you can depend upon. So this is saying execution of the project basically assures adequate and dependable data is to be collected through this process. Next comes, in such situation, question as well as possible answers may be coded. So in this process, researchers always prefer to codify things so that large data should be converged into smaller portions or smaller data. If the data are to be collected through interviewers, arrangements should be made for proper selection and training of the interviewers. Nobody can go and take interview. Means it is the researcher's responsibility to take care that proper selection and training is to be made for all the interviewers, so that the data collections would be collected through these interviewers should come in a proper way, which you can utilize while making the data analysis. Next comes occasional field checks. Means while this data collection is taking place, occasional field checks are expected to be done from the researchers' end. Should be made to ensure that interviewers are doing the assigned job sincerely or not. Take for an example, if some questionnaire is being circulated for filling it by the respondent, if anybody is saying that all the responses are A or all the responses are B, and sometimes people usually make a design out of it. First A, second B, third C, fourth D, and then C, then B, then A. That means they're not interested. While doing these occasional field checks, if come across through these kind of questions, chances are there you may negate those questions at the time of field check only. So this is not going to hamper the entire process. If it will come in the chunk of those collected data, it is definitely not going to serve the purpose. So in the process, you have to keep a check on all these kind of collected data so that proper data should be collected. And this is the purpose of this execution of the project. A careful watch should be kept for unanticipated factors in order to keep the surveys as realistic as possible, because in few of the situations, few interviewers, few respondents, and some occasional field checks are going to serve the purpose. Means during the data collection method, few unanticipated event may happen, like any particular fellow is not going to give you the answer. In few of the situations, people feel that they are very much busy, they are not going to give the response for a particular questionnaire. So in all those cases, you have to keep a watch on the entire process. Then only you will be able to come out with proper questionnaire filled through the respondents. If some of the respondents do not cooperate, some suitable method should be designed to tackle this problem. These days, most of the clients usually say we don't have the problem and we are not able to fill your questionnaire. So if most of the people are not responding to your questionnaire, if they are not giving proper answers, then you have to equip yourself with some suitable method so that you can take feedback from those not interested candidates also. So it is very important step, and in this step we usually take care of the process, whether the entire process is taking place in a smoother way or not. So execution of the project takes care of all these things, I think. Thank you so much for watching.